Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss problem number 1285. Okay, this problem has been asked in multiple top-notch product-based companies like Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, so let's start with the problem. Okay, this is medium type problem. Okay, so problem is find the start and end number of continuous ranges. Okay, so for that we have given one table called logs which contains log id, and this log id is primary, means it will contain only unique id. Okay, since some ids have been removed, so we need to write a SQL to find start and end number of continuous range tables, and we should do order by based on the start id. Okay, so for example, see this is the table. In this I can see there are six log ids: 1 2 3 7 8 9 7 8 10. Okay, so the result that they are expecting is see, this number starts with 1 and continuously it went till 3. Okay, after 3 we got 7, so 7 and 8 are continuous. Okay, so start id will be 1 2 3, after that 7 to 8, and again it starts at 10, it skips 9, starts at 10, and it ends at 10. So we need to find out result like this. Okay, first of all, and they have mentioned result table should contain all the ranges. Okay, so consider here they have explained from 1 to 3, all are in table, so we are taking start id as 1 and id as 3, and here from 4 to 6 we don't have anything in this table. Okay, so 7 and 8 it is in the table, and 9 is missing, and 10th is contained in the table. Okay, and difficulty level is medium. Okay, so let's start. So what I tried to create the same table that we have been given in the question. Okay, so here I would like to explain the problem first and then start solution. Okay, see, this is a bit tricky question, so yeah, we need to understand it. See, if I want to identify which are all the continuous numbers. Okay, first of all the question is which are all the continuous number, then second question will be finding the start and end. Okay, that is the second question. So if I want to find out anything which is continuous, so I know one approach, like what we can do, we can give numbers to each row. Okay, first first after that second, after that we have 3, that we have 4, 5 and 6, through which what we will get to know. Okay, we will get to know which are all the continuous numbers are there. How? See, if I minus this log id from this number, then I will get 0. Okay, and if I minus 2 it will be also 0. Okay, and 3 minus 3 is also 0. Okay, if 7 minus 4 it will be 3, and 8 minus 5 it will be 3, and 10 minus 6 it will be 4. So now from this uh, column you will be able to understand, okay, like, see, my first three numbers are continuous, my second two numbers are also continuous, and fourth one is also continuous. So through that way what I can do, I can find min max of these by grouping it. Okay, okay, this is how this is a very very simple problem, but we need to tackle that. Okay, so let's start. See, first our first thing is we need to give numbering to the each row of logs table. Okay, then we need to do minus. Okay, chalo, first of all we will try to give numbering to it. Okay, select log id. Okay, if I want to give numbering, then we have function called row number. Okay, this is the window function I'm using. Row number over order by log id. Okay, over log id. So see, here I will get numbering of, from logs. Okay, so here what will happen, I will get these first two columns, but I don't want this second number column, I need the third number column. So how can I get that? What I'm doing, log id minus that number I'm doing it, right? So what I will do now, log id minus this number. Okay, this is what I will do. And I want to put it in this one table because I want to reuse it later on. Okay, with city one as, and yeah, if you see, I got my first name. So till this point of time we implement it. Now we will get 102030738310 4. So now if you see the pattern, now we can remove these things, but let me remove these things. Okay, now we have two columns. Okay, so if you see the pattern, if I do group by on this whatever this number, I will give that number as some difference. Okay, difference. Okay, if I do group by on the difference and find out min and max out of it, I will get my expected result, right? So let's try that. Okay, what I want, I will select from city1. City1 I have two columns, log id and difference. From city1, I want to group by based on city, group by on difference. Okay, and what I want select min of log id as start id. Okay, and max of log id as end id. Okay, this is what we want. Another thing they are expecting, we need to do ordering from ascending to descending. So what I can do, I can give start. Okay, see, first what we did, we tried to give numbers to each row, then we did minus. Okay, so that we found like which are all the rows are continuous. Okay, so if you see now, see, if you consider the second query, I will explain. So consider we have data like this. Okay, sorry, first of all I will take this. So what we are selecting, we are selecting min log id. So min log id will be 1. Okay, and max log id will be 3, because we are doing grouping based on 0. So if you do grouping on the based on 0, so you will get this data set, and in this data set min will be 1 and max will be 3, and I am doing order by based on start id. So we will get the expected result. Okay, chalo, let's start. See, now in this let me take output from that table so that we can just compare. Okay, so now if you see, it is starting with 1, ending with 3, starting with 1, ending with 3, starting with 7, ending with 8, starting with 7, ending with 8, starting with 10, ending with 10, starting with 10, 10 and ending with 10. So yeah, this problem is bit tricky. Okay, we need to solve this by keeping our minds, okay, mind clear. Okay, so yeah, please subscribe to my channel to get more updates related to product based companies, data engineering related questions. Stay tuned. Bye guys.